Welcome to the Average Man Barbecue Show. Today we're making bacon wrapped taco meatloaf. Let's get started. I'll start with about a half a block of cream cheese. To that I'm going to add a little bit of sour cream. We'll blend this up. I've got it mixed up. I'm going to add a little bit of taco seasoning to it. Not the whole package. Just give that a little mix. I'll give that a little taste. Put a little bit more. You don't want it too strong because it'll overpower. To this, I'm going to add some peppers and onions just to make it a bit thicker. And I'm going to add some salsa. Normally in my meatloaf I would put breadcrumbs, but because this is a taco meatloaf, I'm going to take corn chips. I've noticed this is a little bit wetter than I thought, so I'm going to add some of these crumbs just to absorb the moisture. And here I have 2 pounds of lean ground beef. To that I'm going to add 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And I'm going to add some of these crumbs that I made up, and we'll mix it. Make sure we get the right consistency, not too thick, it sticks together. It's quite interesting. It's the first time I do this. I've got the smell of the spices coming out of this, but also from the corn chips, the nacho chips. Very different. Can't wait to try this out. So now this is well mixed up, not too wet. I'm going to take a piece of parchment paper and put it on. Now I'm going to shape it up so it's nice and flat into a square or a rectangle. This is the tricky part. See? Okay, too much on this edge. First time I do this, so mistakes are going to happen. I'm just going to seal it all up. Now we're just going to stick this into the fridge to harden up while we get the bacon ready. Now we're going to do the bacon weave. Take this and stretch it a bit. Crossways, you put one on, flip over every second one. And we'll put one on. Do the opposite. Put these back and put the other ones. Oh, wait. Move this one for a second. Put the opposite ones up. Put one down. Now we do the opposite. Put up. Our bacon weave. We're gonna take our meatloaf right on top. There you go. Tuck everything underneath. And she's ready to go. I'm just gonna add some Killer Hogs rub. A friend of mine, so good to split some with me. Thank you, Kelsey. Throw this out on the barbecue. As you can see, we've got it indirect cooking. So this side's not on, this side's on. I have chunks of pecan and my competition blend pellets. That'll give it some good smoke flavor. So unfortunately it was dark whenever I went to do the last step, which was I put some Ribs Royale barbecue sauce on top and let it cook for another 15 minutes, and now it's done. I've let it rest for the 5-10 minutes. And I can just smell it. Oh my God, it smells so good. The bacon, the barbecue sauce. So now I'm going to cut into it. Bacon's nice and crispy. You can see the taco filling. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells just like tacos, but a little bit of spices. It turned out perfect. You can taste the taco, the seasoning. It's basically meatloaf. You've got the bacon, a little bit of the smoke, and that barbecue sauce is just amazing. Thank you for watching the Average Man Barbecue Show. If you like what we're doing, please hit the subscribe button down below. Until the next video, I'll see you later.